So now what we are going to learn in this is autofill. Okay, write any number. You must be seeing a green square thing here. You see this green thing? The moment my cursor comes on that green thing, it turns from a normal cursor to this black small cursor. Okay, this indicates that I can click on this and then pull it down. So suppose when I'm pulling it down, okay, it will click that number. So let me show you. So say suppose if I write 20, okay, I come here and I just pull it down like this. So it has filled all these with 20. Now just click here. It means fill series. Okay, if you click on fill series, then automatically it increments by 1 and fills it up till the place where you have dragged the cursor basically. Now suppose if you write fill formatting, because there was no formatting, it will only be blank cells. Okay. Suppose you write fill without formatting, then it will be the numbers. Okay. And if flash fill, I will teach you later. So copy cells and fill without formatting is same in this case. Now let me show you. If I fill this with this, okay, and then I drag it like this. Yeah. Suppose till here. And so if you see here, by default it has copied the format also. So if I write fill without formatting, then it would be like this. Fill with formatting, it would be like this. Fill series, it will start incrementing till that number, and copy cells would simply copy. Okay. Now let me come here and let me type say 1 and let me type 2 and I will give some other color here. Let me take this color with some border also. Okay. Now let me just drag it. So if you see, because I've written 1, 2, Excel understands that I am incrementing by 1. Okay. So copy cells would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The same pattern is followed. Fill series, it adds 1 like we saw earlier. Fill formatting only would do this. Fill without formatting would copy and drag the series without the color. Okay. Flash fill, if you see it is not valid here, we'll see this later. Now let me show you another pattern. Suppose if I write 1 here and I write say 8 here. Okay. Now you select these two cells and again come here and just see what happens. If I drag, Excel understands that the Excel picks up the pattern that there is a difference of 7. So 1, 8, then again 15, 22, 29. It is adding 7 to each number. So Excel is so smart. Whatever pattern is there, Excel will pick that up and automatically add that. Okay. Now, just in case if you are not able to see this sign, okay, the plus sign that I was talking about, for some reason, if you think that it is not coming for you, then what you can do it, just go to File, click on Options, come to Advanced, and notice this: Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. Okay, alert before override. Just mark these as, just tick them. Okay, and it will be done. Fine. Okay, let's come. Now I'll show you one more thing. So suppose I write say Monday, I write January, I write say Quarter, okay, and I write say first. So what I would want, if I just simply select all these and drag them like this, see the magic. Okay, it is automatically, you know, by order it has incremented each. So January, February, March, April, etc. So here I forgot to write this. Let me show you. So if I write Quarter 1, okay, automatically it has taken Quarter 2, Quarter 3, Quarter 4, because in a year there are 4 quarters, and uh, in 12 months it has taken all 12 months. So I'll show you. If I drag it more, then it will again show January, February. Let me show it here. Say Monday, okay, and say I drag it like this. Then when I click like this, I will write fill weekdays. Okay, so if you see Sunday, Saturday, Sunday are not there anymore. Huh? Let me show you again. So Saturday, Sunday are there. If I write say fill weekdays, so Saturday, Sunday goes away. Okay, that can also be done. This we have already learned earlier. Yeah. So I will write fill weekdays. Let's learn one more thing. Suppose you think that you want to create a list of your own. Okay. So let's say it is A, B, and C. Okay. So if I type A, if I type B, let me first see if it is already there. So it's not there. If you see A B is only coming. But I want that A, B, C should be a list. Okay. Or maybe A, B, C, D. So what I will do, file, okay, options. So come to advanced. Okay. Scroll down, keep scrolling down, come to edit custom list, import, you click this, press enter, and I will click on import, and there you go. Okay, then I will click on OK, and it's done. Now let's see. So come here, A, B, let me show you, C, D, you got it? So earlier it was not coming, now it is coming. So this is how you can import and create your own list. Okay. Now let's come to one more list and we will see what is flash fill. So earlier we had to right click and do a lot of things, but now Excel gives it in a very easy manner. So what basically we have to do now is, suppose you have the data like this, okay. So all you have to do is, suppose you write Kolkata, okay. Now you write Darjeeling. So if you see, Excel understands a pattern. The moment Excel understands a pattern, it is automatically filling this. Okay, it is automatically filling up these. So basically to accept, just press enter and it has been done. Okay, this is flash fill. Accept suggestions, select all 28, undo flash. So because it is correct, I have accepted. Yeah, again, very powerful feature and can be used for other things as well.